Welcome to Secure7, where we hack the system the ethical way. Have you ever heard the word hacker and immediately pictured someone in a hoodie typing furiously in a dark room? What if I told you not all hackers are bad guys? Some are the ones protecting you. Let's talk about ethical hacking. Ethical hacking, also known as white hat hacking, is when someone hacks into systems but with permission. Their mission to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. They use the same tools and techniques as cyber criminals, but instead of stealing or destroying, they report and fix. Think of them as the digital world security testers. In 2023 alone, data breaches exposed billions of records worldwide. That's personal data, financial info, even hospital records. The threat is real and growing. Ethical hackers help defend against those threats. They simulate real attacks to find and fix weaknesses before cybercriminals can exploit them. There are different areas of ethical hacking, such as network hacking, testing routers, firewalls, and systems; web application hacking, finding bugs in websites; wireless hacking, breaking into Wi-Fi networks; social engineering, tricking humans instead of machines. Want to become an ethical hacker? Here's your roadmap. 1. Learn networking, Linux, scripting languages like Python. 2. Get certified. Try the CEH, OSCP, or CompTIA Security Plus. 3. Practice legally using platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, or virtual labs. Ethical hacking isn't just about computers. It's about trust, responsibility, and protecting people in the digital age. It's also one of the fastest growing careers in cybersecurity. Thanks for watching Secure7. Subscribe for more ethical hacking tips, cyber news, and deep dives into the world of security. Stay safe, stay sharp. Don't forget to subscribe. Watch the next video here. Drop your thoughts in the comments.